Weather. What's the weather forecast for the week? Sunny. Today's sunny. Let's go to the park. Hot. Oh my gosh, it's too hot. I need a pool. Cloudy. Hurry up, the sky's cloudy. Rainy. I love to watch series in rainy days. Windy. Don't go outside yet, the weather is too windy. Cold. I love the cold weather. Flood. Unfortunately, the flood destroyed everything. Storm. I think a big storm is coming this week. Hurricane. We must get ready for the hurricane this week. Tornado. This was one of the strongest tornadoes I've ever seen.